Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Linkaradi Chemistry JEE NEET. Aromatic compounds containing nitrogen. JEE January 2019 questions we are going to discuss in this video. It is the lecture 2 PYQs. Question number 8. The increasing order of reactivity of the following compounds towards reaction with alkyl halide. See here, all benzene rings are there. In the benzene rings, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place. The reactivity of benzene is, suppose nitrobenzene, that means electron withdrawing groups are there, less reactive than the normal benzene. Highly reactive, the benzene which has attached to electron donating groups. So conclusion is that more electron density is there in the benzene, that is highly reactive. Okay, less electron density is there, this is less reactive. This is the concept. Now you see here, this is the minus mesomeric group. Here two minus mesomeric groups are there, minus mesomeric group. Here plus mesomeric and minus mesomeric. Here only plus mesomeric. That means electron plus mesomeric means electron donating group. So here electron donating group is there means more reactive. Here minus in mesomeric group, two groups are there means least. See, B should be least means two options are there. D should be higher means only one option, that is B is your answer. Your final answer is B. Right? Is it clear? Electron density, if it is more is there, obviously electrophile will attack easily. Electrophile ko chahiye electron density. Where it will attack? Wherever electron density more is there it will attack. So in this benzene ring, electron density is more. That's why electrophile first attack on the aniline. Next, the major product of the following reaction is, see here nickel hydrogen is there. This nickel hydrogen is a reducing agent. So this cyanide becomes amine. C triple bond N is there. It becomes CH2NH2. Okay, then diol is the specific reagent. It turns esters to aldehyde. Okay, then whenever aldehyde is there, see benzene ring is there. In that benzene ring, this position ester becomes aldehyde. Okay, see I am writing aldehyde here. This position, this CH2 and NH2. Okay, amine ban gaya. Whenever NH2 and C double bond O group is there, simply the H2O will be released. So here forming a double bond. I am giving the numbering here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 membered ring is forming. And 6th is the nitrogen, first is the carbon, दोनों के बीच में double bond. So your answer will be B. Your answer will be B is the answer. You can see there is no other option. Right? Next, question number 10. What will be the major product in the following mononitration reaction? Mononitration. So NO2 group will attack. The first question same concept. Where the NO2 will attack? Wherever electron density is more. This benzene ring is attached to electron donating group, so it is high electron density. Here low electron density. Okay, NO2 will attack here, the two at ortho position and para position. ये आर्थो पोजीशन में अटैक होगा, नहीं तो पैरा पोजीशन में अटैक होगा इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. ऑब्वियसली ऑर्थो पोजीशन में लिटिल रिपल्शन इज देयर, मैक्सिमम केसेस पैरा पोजीशन में मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्ट इज देयर. सो NH अटैच्ड ग्रुप में पैरा पोजीशन, NH पैरा पोजीशन, या दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सो इधर मेटा इज देयर, रॉन्ग. NO2 इसमें तो रॉन्ग. ठीक है, सो योर आंसर इज बी. अंडरस्टूड. अगेन द कॉन्सेप्ट इज in which benzene ring electron density is more, their electrophile will attack. Question number 11. An aromatic compound A having molecular formula C7H6O2. So that means either it may be carboxylic acid or ester हो सकता है. ठीक है, it may be more than one functional group also, maybe OH and CHO also. ठीक है, just is giving less information. On treatment with aqueous ammonia and heating forms a compound B. See what we are taking A, we don't know, but reacting with NH3, aqueous ammonia and heating, bus heating is forming a B compound. On reaction with the molecular bromine and potassium hydroxide, the B is reaction with bromine and KOH forming C compound. C का formula is given, so it looks like ammonia, amine. It is like amine. ये amine मतलब see, whenever you are looking this reagent, it is a Hofmann degradation, Hofmann bromamide reaction or Hofmann degradation, bromamide reaction. ये named reaction है. इसमें क्या होता है, amide to amine होता है, amide to amine. So it is conforming by this NH3. Whenever NH3 and carboxylic acid is there, when NH3 and carboxylic acid there, it may be forming amide. The amide is converted into amine. That means this is the amide. A will be carboxylic acid. A will be carboxylic acid. You can see here carboxylic acid, only one thing is there. So your answer will be C. Okay. You may trial and error method, you can try it. Suppose CHO is there, CHO cannot react with amine. Of course it will react and forming double bond N, so NH, so imine बनेगा, उससे कुछ नहीं है furtherly. Okay, so that's why this is the only one answer. Next, question number 12. The increasing basicity order for the following compounds. Increasing basicity KB. KB is generally proportional to plus I effect and plus M effect होता है. और if we take amines, secondary amines are higher than primary and tertiary based on the methyl and ethyl group. Sometimes tertiary is smaller and sometimes primary is less basic. So first of all, secondary will be more. See, here is a primary, it is a secondary, it is a secondary and it is a tertiary. तो secondary में maximum होना चाहिए. Obviously aromatic and aliphatic में aliphatic is higher than the aromatic. So here it is aromatic, so it is the less. So obviously B will be more. B will be more means only one option is there, B will be more. That is your answer is D. Still you can confirm with others. Aromatic compounds कभी भी least रहता है, so D is the smaller. So one more time it's confirmed. The 12th answer D. Next, the test performed on compound X and their inferences are, वो X compound है, पता नहीं what is the X compound, लेकिन it is giving 2,4-DNP. 2,4-DNP मतलब generally carbonyl group is present. Iodoform test, iodoform test मतलब C double bond वो CH3, इतना ग्रुप तो है. ओके, इट में भी aldehyde भी हो सकता है, कीटोन भी हो सकता है, इधर हाइड्रोजन और R, ये दोनों में कुछ भी हो सकता है. So but this group is should be present. So like that, C double as well. Azodite test, no dye formation. Azodite test not giving means, so it is not the primary amines. Aniline type structure नहीं होना चाहिए, मतलब this is not, this is not. Okay, So CHO is there, but iodo form test is not giving. Iodo is not giving. This is a giving iodo. Okay, C double bond O CH3 group is there. So your answer will be B. Your answer will be B. Next, 14th question. The major product of the following reaction is. The major product of the following reaction is, see, bromine and H nu is there. So free radical mechanism, obviously ये benzyl position में attack होगा. Here it will form bromine. Bromine will be substitute. Then bromine and KOH is there. So bromine and KOH means half one degradation is there. CO गायब हो जाएगा, वो NH2 बनेगा. I am writing the structure here. NH2 methyl group, here bromine is there. Okay, then this bromine and H furtherly it will release as HBr. So here forming four membered ring. Here CH3 group is there. That means your answer will be A. Your answer will be A. Next, 15th question. Arrange the following amines in the decreasing order of basicity. Again, secondary generally is the more, than primary and tertiary you have to decide. Secondary, so this one is the secondary. Of course, this is also secondary, this is also secondary. But here, lone pair is outside, the lone pair is inside. Inside means it is involving in the resonance. So 24 into 7 electron not available, not present, I can say, not present. मतलब ये तो least होगा. Okay, this one is the least. 2 is the least. 2 is the least में दो option है हमको. लेकिन 3 is the highest. 3 is the highest. Of course, lone pair is here. Lone pair is here also is there. Lone pair. Here is the secondary. So obviously 3 is the higher. So D is your answer. 3 higher, 2 least, 1 is medium. Next, question number 16. The correct or decreasing order for acidic strength. Acidic strength का directly proportional to minus mesomeric and minus inductive group. Here which groups are there? One is fluorine is there, cyanide is there, NO2 group is there, chlorine is there. Okay, maximum NO2 group increasing the acidic strength. NO2 का ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. NO2 का ज़्यादा मतलब C and D में. Next, cyanide, fluorine, chlorine. Fluorine and chlorine में obviously fluorine is higher. So here halogens same range में रहता है. मतलब cyanide and fluorine में cyanide is more. क्योंकि cyanide में triple bond N is there is a minus mesomeric effect. Fluorine is just inductive effect, minus inductive effect. Okay, minus mesomeric is stronger effect. So your answer is C. First of all NO2, then cyanide. Cyanide is showing minus mesomeric effect. Okay, 2019 January questions completed. Thank you.